Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Alisha. Today I'm gonna do a special makeup look. As it is the month of Shrawan, I'm gonna do a Shrawan special makeup look. This makeup look is dedicated to all the ladies out there watching. So without the further ado, let's get started to the video. So guys, I have already done my eyebrows to save some time, and I'm using this Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette to create the makeup look. So let's get started. I'm using this Catrice Camouflage Concealer to prime my eyelids. Do not apply too much as it may crease on you. Taking this all the way to my brow bones. This concealer dries really fast. As the Jaclyn Hill palette does not have any matte shade that is near to my skin tone, I'm using this airspun powder to set my eyelids. Yeah, I'm using this fluffy kind of brush. So after setting my eyelids, I'm using this shade Silk Cream, if you guys can see, Silk Cream, into my crease. Blending. After that, I'm gonna take shade Creamsicle, this orangey yellow kind of shade. I'm using this shade brush. After using that, I'm gonna take this flat kind of brush and use the shade Hans in my crease as well. This shade Hans. I'm gonna pack this to my crease. Blending it with the same brush that I used earlier. After that I'm just cleaning my brush and taking the shade Jack from this palette and intensifying my crease. I'm using the same brush. Don't forget to tap off the excess to avoid any fallouts. I'm also applying it to my outer corners as well. After that, I'm using the shade Enchanted and apply it to the outer corners using the same brush. Shade is very pigmented, so be careful. Also taking this shade a little bit into my crease to darken things up. Blend all the shades together so it won't look harsh. After this, I'm gonna create a half cut crease look using the same concealer that I used to prime my lids. I'm using this flat kind of brush to cut my crease. Let's tilt your head back so you can see your crease nicely. Just cleaning it up. I'm not doing any harsh. After this, I'm gonna use the shade, the shimmery green shade Diva in the palette, and apply it to my lids with this shade brush. So guys, after applying this, I'm gonna use the Enchanted shade to blend any harsh lines that may have been created. So yeah, this is it. Now I'm gonna use this shade. I'm gonna use the shade Pool Party, the mint green kind of shade from the palette. Tap off the excess and apply it on top of this green shade. It's looking better. After that, I'm gonna the lightest shade in the palette in light and put it into my inner corner to highlight. And also to my brow bones. Now I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. I'm using this Catrice 18 hours color contour eye pencil. And on top of that Catrice eyeliner, I'm gonna use this eyeliner, liquid eyeliner from LA Colors to create a wing. So I'm gonna do the same thing to my other eyes. So as you guys have already noticed, I have applied my base makeup as well to save some time and popped some lashes. Yeah. Now let's move into the lips. As it's Shrawan, I'm gonna use this red lipstick, Wet n Wild red lipstick in shade Missy and Fierce. So let's apply it. On the top, I'm gonna line it with this Essence lip liner. So yeah guys, this is how the makeup looks like. I'm gonna be right back with all the jewelry, saris, and show you the final look. So guys, this is the final makeup look and this is my getup. So if you guys liked my makeup look, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.